Remote air conditioning. The remote air conditioning is a service available for electric-powered vehicles. It gives you the opportunity to remotely heat or cool your car to your preferred temperature using the My Skoda app. Select the air conditioning tile. If you want the air conditioning to be initiated right away, click on Temperature Setting. Then use the slider or arrows to set the temperature. If you also have the vehicle equipped with auxiliary heater, you can select which source of heat should be used, whether electric or auxiliary. Finally, press Start and your car will shortly start air conditioning to your set temperature. If your car is also equipped with window heating, this can also be controlled via the app. Simply click on Window Heating and press Start. Please note that this function is not available for the Citigo e-iV. If you want to use these functionalities even when the car is not plugged into the charger, you can allow battery usage.